Oh, oh, that's not supposed to happen. What's going on, you guys? We're back here again for another video, and I got some good stuff for us today. Yeah, so let's get into it. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you leave a comment or a like or a dislike, and please make sure you subscribe. Now let's get into it. That wasn't on the seam at all. There we go, there we go. Ooh, got a nice little card here. Euro Compulsion, thank you. Here's the good stuff, guys. Would you look at that? Oh my God. And in this bag, looks like they sent us some goodies, guys.
My goodies.
Got my hose clamps here. And yo, they hooked me up with some dum-dums. Like what? Your compulsion. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see. Customer satisfaction. They're like, yo, this dude's about to be out here struggling for hours. Let's give him some candy. All right, so without further ado, we're gonna jump into the installation. Let's hit it. All right, I'm out here, and I'm gonna get these pipes installed. All right, oh, it's a grill shutter. I was trying not to scratch my bumper, but it's already pretty messed up as it is. Probably gonna have to take this off. All right, got a new pipe here. It's gonna go right there. So take the old one off. Oh, and of course this clamp is in a spot where I'm not going to be able to reach. Start by taking this off. Oh no. Alright. We got it really tough to reach clamp. I'm not sure what size it is. Might be one of these. I'm almost certainly going to drop this. Oh, that worked. Connector out of the way. Losing sunlight, quit. That's the one. Take this one off too. Wiggle this off. See if our little tool can help us here. Sure can. Pliers. Alright, back with my pliers, batteries, and my headlamp because I'm losing sunlight.
Sun's getting real low.
Come on. Gross. Oops. One part off. Whew. What a pain. All right. We got a bolt under here. Hopefully it's 10 mil. Hopefully I can get this done before it gets dark. All right, I think I can unscrew it by hand from here. Feels like I'm doing bad things to my car. It's hand motion. There we go. All right, that's out. Oh no, it's bolted right there. I don't know if you can see that. So that looks like another 10. Oh, I don't know if you can see, hopefully, but that's the bolt I'm working on down there. When we put the new pieces on, I don't think we'll be reusing. Like some of you'll have extra bolts left over. So I don't think this mounts to anything. It just floats.
Floating, I'm floating, float.
Alright, I don't think it's mounted anywhere else except to the actual intercooler. And I do not know how to take that off. Oh, I do not want to take this fender liner off. Alright, I'm back. And I got a flathead screwdriver. See if I can get this clamp open. Oh, there's like a little, it's like a C-clip. Ugh. Wow, all right. So you'll be able to see it when I pull it out. Whew. All right. So put the screwdriver into here, twist, and it slides right off. Let's say I got about half hour light left. About to really bust out the headlamp, possibly the flashlight, the phone light too. This should be a lot easier since it's silicone, flexible. Fit in here nice and snug, like a bug on a rug. Make sure I'm recording actually. All right, we're good. She good. All right, oh, clamps. Oh man, forgot about them lollipops. Let's see what that mystery flavor is, y'all. Because I'm not about that. What is that? Oh, that's peach. Nah, let's see what the mystery is. Let's see down in the comments what you think this flavor is. It's red. Let me start off saying by whatever it is, I'm not too fond of it. Starting to get a little bit better. When you do this, make sure you got opportunity to set up your hose clamps so that they're perfect. Perfect for you to be able to access another time. So make sure you take advantage of that. This looks so good already. Try another clamp for the bottom. Not sure if these are the same. Yeah, they're all the same. Get this out of the way. Reach down here. Put the other, ideally, you might want to put the clamp on before. It's crazy how there's just floats here. I'm just hooking this back up so has a little more support. But now our clamp is already on there pretty tight. But yo, that joint's on there tight. Like I just pushed it on and it's not budging, but it's got to be able to withstand the boost pressure. So if you can snug it up, please do so. Dum Dum was good. No idea what flavor it was though. I'm gonna say like strawberry or something. Oh, broke my pliers though. On some crazy. Might have to replace this hose right now. Yeah. Drastic times call for drastic measures. So those are just held on by pressure. All right, now it's dark. And this hose, where do you go, my boy? I don't know, do I gotta reuse this? So, pretty sure we need to reuse this. Because that's what this was for. And that'll plug into there. I'm gonna come back and zip tie this somewhere. And I was gonna, wait, but I feel like I should just get it all done and over with now. Oh man, this is gonna be annoying. Is it this whole thing? It might not be that annoying. So, it's probably gonna get too dark, guys, so I'm just gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do. But, yeah, looks like this is the whole part. Gonna unbolt it right here and down there, pull it out through the bottom, put the new one in. And if you haven't figured it out, definitely want to do this with your car cold. In tight spaces, you would definitely burn yourself. Should have been out here earlier. I was inside playing Xbox. So this one, they say, does need to come out from the bottom. And I can see that. I can definitely see that. It'd be easier to come in right here. Got it off. Whew. That was a pain. All right, I think I can just pull it out through here, maybe. It's kind of flexible. It feels like it's definitely mounted to something else. Well, it was just mounted in that one spot. All right, that's off. And we are for real working in the dark now. put it in through the bottom. And then put the clamp on at the top. So where's she at now? Oh, she got a little bendy on me. Can actually put one side on. Don't know what that was. It's on there tight. And this one, also gonna hit with the screwdriver. Oh man, got the hose on, but it's quickly sliding off, I think. Gotta get the clamp on. No idea where anything's at. Hey guys, if you made it this far, you're the real MVP. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. This video actually only took me about 2 hours to make. I just got out a little late. So if you get out in the daytime, you might be able to save some time because you won't have to scramble for a headlight and stuff. Also, don't take the bumper off. That'll save you even more time. Peace.